At the third annual STEM Challenge Day, science, technology, engineering, and math are team sports. Students spent the morning tackling challenges throughout Rincon Middle School's campus and under their famous outdoor pavilion. Family members, teachers, and staff supported teams of 5th and 8th graders from every school in the district. In this engineering challenge, students program an Arduino circuit board. Teams competed in logic puzzles, navigated a drone obstacle course, and maneuvered robot rovers. Treobytes, a nonprofit that supports STEM education in underserved communities, coached student teams for 9 weeks to prepare for the challenges. During the STEM training, students broadened their knowledge using coding, AI, and facial recognition, putting in the hard work to take this scientific showdown to the next level. The Escondido Union School District congratulates all of the finalists, participants, coaches, and volunteers who helped make this annual event a success.